What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, and today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival 1956 Plymouth Savoy. What a cool car, different car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, as you can see, as usual, I have the car running under the hood. Small block Mopar V8 360. It's got a nice setup under the hood here. You got headers, you got your HEI ignition, Holley carb, a double pumper. It's got a nice cam. It's got all the stuff you'll ever need: aluminum radiator, electric fans, and air conditioning. You see the firewall was beautifully airbrushed, as well as the top of the hood. I do have more photos of that on the website. As you can see, it has a Wilwood brake master cylinder. So we do have power brakes and disc all the way around, which is pretty cool for a car like this. As you can see, the body is extremely straight. I have it running like you hear it. Really cool exhaust. They wanted to retain a stock-ish style. They got a dual going into a single out, which is pretty cool, and it sounds awesome. Tri-5 Chevys aren't the only cars with fins. This thing had some really nice fins. As you can see how straight this body is. I mean, it's like a mirror. It's crazy. Digital dash, of course. You hear it sounds great. I do have an inspection on the website, tells you what works, what doesn't on all of our vehicles. So I do have an inspection available on the website. As you can see, the interior has been custom redone. You got some airbrushing here, there, and back here. Pretty cool. You got like a billet steering wheel. Some newer power seats. I believe they're out of a Chrysler 300. Power, reclining, all you'll ever need. Pioneer radio, center console with cup holders. Just an awesome setup. Doors open and close nicely. Everything lines up great. I do believe this car has original bumpers, meaning it has never been in an accident. But everything other than the bumpers, you could tell, has been pretty much redone on this car. The trim is probably original as well, because I don't believe they make this anymore. But you could just tell it's a great quality car. American racing wheels all the way around. I mean, just take a look at the engine bay, how clean it is. This is a different car. You don't see these ever. Hood closes nicely. Like I said, the body is extremely straight on this car. Back seat custom. Everything custom. I have tons of photos on the website. The underneath is just as clean as the top side. You can eat off the bottom of this car. Your trunk setup, really clean, as you can see. Closes nicely. Everything lines up on this car. Whoever did the body work did a great job. They really knew what they were doing. Got your mirrors up here. Just a cool car. Extremely straight, extremely classy. If you want something that is different, this is the car. It is extremely different, but it is cool. Just look at the checkered floor on that paint. Man, that looks beautiful. If you guys are interested in this car, please give us a call at 847-848-1850. We have special financing available. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com, located in Addison, Illinois. This is our beautiful showroom, 200 cars that we own. Stop on by. You will not be disappointed. I'm sure we got something for you, and if we don't have it yet, we will, because we get new cars in almost every day. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. By appointment only. We have shipping all over the United States, enclosed, bonded, insured. So text your zip code to the phone number 847-848-1850 for an enclosed shipping quote directly to your door. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this beautiful 1956 Plymouth Savoy. Hope everyone has had a great day, has enjoyed this video. I want to see you guys coming here soon, picking up the dream car you've always wanted. Thanks for watching, everybody, and remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.